Are you an entrepreneur, podcaster, or content creators trying to grow your brand online?
This is called outline reveal effect. It's super trendy right now on Instagram, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can get this effect in Premiere Pro within just 5 minutes. So without wasting any time, let's go to our screen.
From edits to hustle, that's him. Stacking the skills, turning them into wins. Building a life where they're free, now they're yes.
Most of the time you can see this effect on Instagram Reels, and this effect is really amazing. It looks cool, and you can use this effect on your YouTube videos, especially in the hook, and also you can use it for your Reels. You can use it on your Reels, which is amazing. And as you can see, I already have this video and the effect is already applied, so don't worry, I will show you guys from scratch. So this one is the video. Okay, so I hope you can see this video. It's the raw video. So I will just drop this video and into a new sequence like here. Before we jump into further more, let me tell you something, which is I'm sure that you are familiar with the Premiere Pro interface, so I'm not going into that part. I'm just showing you the way that I create this effect, and you can too. First layer is our main video. We have to rotoscope the subject. So our video layer, there will be 2 layers of our video. First layer will be the main layer, the main video file, and the second layer will be rotoscoped. We will just duplicate the video like this, and I'm not gonna work on the audio, so I just remove the audio part here. I will only work on the video layers. So as you can see here, I already got 2 layers of the same video. I will just hide the bottom layer, so I can only see the first 1 layer, and there I will apply one effect which is called Mocha Pro. And bro, if you don't know yet about Mocha Pro, which is functional and working in Premiere Pro, then bro, just go and get it. Mocha Pro is amazing. The rotoscoping task is now really easy. You don't have to jump to After Effects or any other software. You can do any kind of rotoscoping now in Premiere Pro using this Mocha Pro plugin, which is amazing. And let me show you how I rotoscope myself. So there you go. In the effects panel, I just search Mocha Pro and I will apply it on the first layer. Remember, we only working on the first layer, so the bottom layer is it's hidden. There you go. You can see the Mocha Pro is applied. We will just click here and we will have new interface, which is Mocha Pro. Now the magic will happen in a split of second. You can see a tool here, right beside the pen tools, like this one, which is called, I don't know what I think it's magic tool or something. I don't know the name of the tool. I'm sorry. It's a mask ML layer. So just grab this tool, okay, and click on the subject that you want to rotoscope. Just one click and just wait for a few seconds. Boom. And you will see that red mask, which is automatic generated, and this red area will be rotoscoped. And again, if you click another point, this will gradually start picking the object, and it's totally generated by AI. So you can create how many points you want until you get your objects masked perfectly. So as you can see, we already have our hands and the face, which is already selected, but the body is not selected yet. So I will click more points here like this. Right now I have the whole object, I mean my whole body is now selected, and I'm satisfied with the selection. And now you can see an option here, which is maybe it's called render forward. Okay, so we will just render forward. And remember, when we select the object, you should be on the first frame of your video. So when you click the render option, it will render the whole video. So now I will click the render. Now it's automatically tracking the mask, which is like way more better than the manual or usual masking technique in Premiere Pro. You can see it's really perfect. Like you can see here that it's keep tracking my hair, and it's also moving along with my body movements. So it's really amazing, and it's also really fast. So yeah, let it render and I will come back soon. Okay, so we are done with the rendering. I mean the tracking in Mocha Pro. When you are done with the tracking in Mocha Pro, you don't have to do anything in Mocha Pro interface. You will just press Ctrl plus S, which will save this and just close this window. Now in Premiere Pro you will see nothing is showing. So what you're gonna do is just go to the effects control, drop down this matte option and check this option which is called apply matte. Boom, you see now our background is totally removed like this. Just go to text tool and we will just simply write down your text here. Okay, so we will just customize our text. I will choose one font which is called Dongpora, and I will make the text more bigger like this, and I will align this text in the middle of the screen. I hope you can see the timeline here. Also you can see the preview. So what is happening here? So basically the text is right now is on top of everything. What we're going to do is we will bring the base text, which is the main text layer, in between our main clip and the rotoscope clip. So we will just make this here. So what you can see here, which is really simple, like you can see that our text is behind us. So it's really common, right? And now we will just duplicate the text layer and bring it on the top. So right now we have two text layer and two video layer in between, and one video is rotoscoped. And now we will just change the properties of the first layer of the text and change it to stroke instead of fill like this, and make sure the stroke is between 1 or 2 pixels, which looks great like this. Boom, now we got the outline reveal effect, and now you can play with the text size and you can play with the design of your video. I mean, when you work with this kind of effect, like especially outline reveal effect, make sure your text is bigger, because when you have your text bigger, then you will have a lot of space so that you can reveal your object, your rotoscoped object inside the text. So for example, if I make the text smaller like this, if I make the text more smaller, then it won't look good. See, like it doesn't even make any sense. And you can also play with colors. You can change the base text color to something yellow or something like red, and that's how you get this effect. It's really amazing, and also it gives such a nice effect on your video.
Are you an entrepreneur, podcaster?
See, that's how you can get this outline reveal effect on your video in Premiere Pro. Yes, of course, you will need Mocha Pro plugin, which is free. I mean, it's paid, but the crack version is free on the internet. I'm not gonna share the crack version here, but you have to do your hard work to find the crack version, which is easy, trust me. And also I want to announce a pack which is I'm making for Reels editor or vertical video editors. This pack includes a few text animations, transitions, overlays, tools, and also premium fonts. And this pack will make your Reels or vertical videos look more expensive, premium, and clean. And I'm not gonna stack this pack with generic text presets and all kinds of assets. I'm making sure that this pack will speed up your workflow if you are a Reels editor or vertical video editor, and also your videos will look more expensive and premium. Stay tuned. I hope this will help you guys, and just wait for the next update of this pack. And I hope you enjoyed this video. There will be more videos like this, and don't forget to subscribe this channel, hit like, and until next time, bye bye.
He cut, he grind, he capture live. From edits to hustle, that's him. Stacking the skills, turning them to wins. Building a life where they're free, now they're this.